Hi guys, welcome to the series called I Am Curry Smuggler. Today we will be cooking a dish called Malai Chicken Tikka. We will be using charcoal barbecue outside, but the prep work we will be doing here. It's a very popular dish and the kids love it. And let's give it a go. Thank you. So the first process, we're going to dice the chicken. This is thigh fillet. We're going to take the excess fat off and make 1 inch to 1.5 inch cubes of chicken. The process of this marination is in 2 steps. Firstly, we will be using a meat tenderizer. I use a natural meat tenderizer. I use papaya. This one I made a paste of papaya. And keep a note that you don't need to peel the papaya. Use the papaya with the skin on. When you're marinating it, just marinate it thoroughly. Also, it gives a little bit of sweet flavor to the chicken and act as a best meat tenderizer. We will be leaving this chicken in this papaya paste for roughly about half an hour so that it breaks down the chicken. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, cheese, I've grated cheese, 2.5 tablespoons of grated cheese, roughly 35-40 ml cream, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, half tablespoon of white pepper, half a tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. So I'm going to crush them. And lastly, the secret ingredient, just a half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This is how I set up my barbecue. We will be using indirect heat, and I just tend to put 4 or 5 small pieces of charcoal just to give a little bit of heat underneath the chicken, underneath the meat, and all the heat will be coming from the side.